on the start, or 5 of them, correction, on the start. Abhay Chitra Piyu, Battarai Saraswati, Ratnaike, Sugandha Kumari. This is the final of the women's 1500 meters. In fact, I still remember a very famous saying, Rupi, that in the dust of defeat as well as in the laurels of victory, there is glory to be found if one has done one's best.
Chitra taking the lead, followed by Sugandha Kumari. Will they run like a team and try and set a fast pace, which will offset the sprinting prowess of the two Sri Lankan girls at the finish? Ratnaike is the national champion, and she's well relaxed in that 4th position. She's not interested in setting a fast pace. She can rely on her finish. And this is a cat and mouse game that will develop in the 3 3/4 laps of the stadium. Very slow first 200 meters. So it's already developing into a tactical race. Even Ratnaike of Sri Lanka feels it's too slow for her too. So now Chitra and Sugandha Kumari tucking in behind Ratnaike. Does she have the confidence to lead from the start to the finish? It'll be very interesting to watch over the next 3 laps.
So you get exactly 3 laps to go, and remember, distance running is a contest which are now washing out there, fought on the battleground of your own body with specific demands upon the will, which are different in nature from those experienced in the power events. However, although there is a central to distance event, that these are activities which are capable of analysis in the same way as other athletic events. The women's 1500 meters, this is a battle now which is likely to be built up very shortly out there in the center. Speed running, that we all know is central to success in distance running, and the 1500 meters is no distance. The Sri Lankans, the 2 of them, perhaps, Rupi, do you think that they're going to bunch and make sure that the Indian is not allowed to go in front?
Well, they allowed the Indians to go in front. They would be fairly happy sitting behind. But I think it was a tad too slow for Ratnaike, who's the national champion. And now comes the other Sri Lankan, and they will egg each other on, because they realize the opposition from Chitra and Sugandha Kumari is not really pushing them. They don't much seem to fear them, and they're confident enough to take the lead. Time will tell whether their confidence was correct or not. But they are definitely pushing the pace. 2 laps to go. Interesting to see how the Sri Lankans will take this race. They've taken it by the really scruff of the neck, so to say, as opposed to the 800 runners who hung behind Gomati and beat her only in that last 100 meters.
Yes, just how fast you are in the 1500 meters actually depends on several factors, including the level of endurance and economical running action and a certain amount of willpower. So what is it that is the strength of each of these 5 out there, particularly the 2 Sri Lankans and the 2 Indians?
Chitra responds. Sugandha Kumari, the youngster, hanging on. It's Abhay firmly in the lead. It's Ratnaike in the lead, with Abhay tucked in behind Chitra, who's come in between. So that's Ratnaike, the national champion of Sri Lanka. They went through 1000 meters in approximately 3 minutes, which isn't very fabulous, but it's timing that is not so important in this, as we get Abhay taking the lead. Ratnaike lead. 3:24 is the time at the bell. 400 meters to go. It's Abhay in the lead, followed by the 2 Indians and Ratnaike in that 4th position. Ratnaike is the favourite. Let's see her response. 300 meters to go, and Ratnaike wants to come into a position to attack.
Yes, attack they are going to do, the Sri Lankans and the 2 Indians. You also got 147 out there, which is Piyu Chitra of India, trying to gain it from up front out there. The 2 Indians very strong, but in the lead is Abhay Ratnaike of Sri Lanka. That's the pattern that's being set out here. The Indians now building up the lead. It is going to be Chitra Piyu of India. She's going to take the lead very shortly out here. The Sri Lankans is faltering a wee bit. Rupi, I suspect the Sri Lankan now, that willpower is coming into play.
Absolutely now, but Chitra has run a brilliant race, and she can get the measure, but she just doesn't get to show that kind of speed that is needed. Is she responding? Yes, she is, and Chitra goes past Abhay to claim a gold. Although slow timing, a brilliant tactical victory for the Indian girl Piyu Chitra. And it'll be interesting to see in our replay whether Sugandha got the better of Abhay for that bronze medal position. Chitra running a fabulous race. Nice, lithe body frame. living in the shadows of the more illustrious OP Jaisha in the 1500 meters, but coming into her own today and showing some tactical sense. Watch her just hanging on, and then when Abhiratna tired, she attacked. And even though she didn't have a burst of speed, she just increased the length of her strides and went past Abhiratna to get a gold, which India had lost to the Sri Lankans in the 800 meters. The reason to take a lead was proven wrong by Chitra in the end, and that's a confirmation of the results.
425.60 Pure Chitra the gold, Abhiratna of Sri Lanka 425.76, and Sri Lanka take the bronze through UK and Ratnayake 426.71.